Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Coffee Time. This is Armin again here and today is 22/3/24. Without further ado, let's check this application and what's the point of today. Let me run it. That was a client. Start with the roulette and now I need to make an admin page to change the roles in this part. And let's see how it works. Come on. Okay. Here is this. We have login system here. We have here admin page. When I click there, I get all users here in my database. If I click there, we get the current email address and the current role, and for example if I change it, just role change to player. Let me come here in my database. This is a Microsoft default database. As you see here, for example, I have here .NET users, which you see here, and I have here also roles. Okay, I have here also roles, and if I mean user roles, and here in this table I have all available roles here, which is admin, player, moderator, and user. Okay, here in application we have here data folder. If I'm getting it right, if I have here data folder, it contains 2 DB contexts. First one is just for the user identity DB context, and the second one is just database context. Okay, and let me say here I have something else here, and to seed our roles, many options are available, and this is the easiest way, what I think. Here I'm going to seed my database for identity roles as admin, user, moderator, and player is default in my database. You can also add it here. Okay, and now let's go back. What's this one? What's that one? Okay, this is database. Okay, let's come back here again, go back to the admin page. This is a default admin page. This user is set, the role is admin. The role of this user is admin, and if I'm coming here in my admin page, it's annotated with admin. It wants to say only admin roles authorized to check and see details of this page. Okay, now let's see what is this page. This is a simple page which you see here. We have some variables here, and this page on initialize async is say when the page fires up, it's retrieve user for me, and it show me just the user. Why I need my user here, I let you know. And after that I have made a function here which is return me identity user, which is all user. What you see here, this is just a method and it's return all user, very easy. And here I'm calling that function and show it in the page. Here we have also a click button. When I click here, let me see, when I click here I go to the next page with the ID of that user, okay, with the ID Armin2. Let's come here, view data in my database, and this is the username and this is the ID. Okay, it takes that, retrieve that ID for me, and send it to the next component. Okay, let's go back to the admin. okay, arm_entity to what, and when I click here I redirect to the next page with the ID. Okay, now let's come back here, and what's the name of the next page? Just is next page. When I click, I'm going to the next page. Okay, now let's check the next page here. Next page is very easy. Next page, it accepts a parameter as user ID. User ID, as you see here, I say, hey, this page accept user ID. Okay, and here our parameter set async. Just I'm going to retrieve that ID from the admin page, which is now here. Okay, this is very simple to get only my ID of that user, not the current one, that user. And after that, you see here I initialize other component, okay, which is change user role. Let's go to the change user role. This is also a component, and now let's check this one. In the first, it accepts a parameter as user ID and just some variable here, and here on initialize async, when the page loads, we get, first of all, I have here a option, a drop down of all available roles here, which is now here, you see, and I have a button. When I click on that button, say change role, I'm going to call a function which is here change role. And what in fact I say here, okay, in this line I'm going to find by ID. These are all default methods implemented, and user ID, which I get from other component here. And then here I say, okay, now that's okay. Now check if that role exists or not, and then I get the role of that user, and here I'm gonna change it just user, and just if you come here, you see here, okay, this is just a method. It accepts identity user and a list of roles. Okay, and here again I'm going to here I remove it if there is something there, because we want to set new role, and here again I add other one, and here I'm gonna refresh the page. I think I don't need this one, so let me refresh the page. I'm going to upload it in GitHub. You can read it, see there is nothing special there, just two components, and voila. Let's wait. ASP.NET user roles. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, let me see if I'm coming here. arm_entity number 2. Number 2 is just 117. Current role is player. Let me see, 117, which is this one, and the role is D7V. D7V, and now let's refresh this one, and the role is changed to something else. Okay, like this I'm going to talk to my database and then change necessary things, and voila. This is the second part, because I need to implement this one to give the users just right authentication and authorization, and that's why I'm not coding it just live, because my PC get hot and hot. And let me see here, change role added, let's commit it to GitHub, and I'm going to put link description and push it, and voila. Let's see GitHub, let's come here, and that is available here. You can check, read, and whatever you want to do. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.